it's
Haley
and Marissa, and welcome back to our channel.
I don't remember.
You keep saying video. It's channel. Okay. Besides that, today we are making fun. Say it with me. Okay, and today we are making fun.
I said it. You want to get stabbed?
Really? Okay, so we're making fun funny. Okay. All the single ladies. Okay. And rainbow chip frosting original. That's how you say original. Ow! So we're gonna need 1 cup of water. We got our 1 cup with no water. So let's get some water. Haley, you need to pour some oil in that thing. Oh yeah. Okay. So oh wait, I didn't even put the.
What are you doing?
I need to open the.
This is gonna be a great video. We need to put this in first. Even I know that. And I don't even know how to cook. Dude, I literally burned soup. I'm terrible at cooking.
I'm
The
sorry,
light
I'm not
dims.
thinking.
That's supposed to happen?
Yeah.
Stop dimming. Hashtag tongue flickers.
What?
Hair. You gotta break it up a bit. So that it works.
So you can put that in. And don't tell me
Open!
Dear school, don't tell me what to say. Don't. Oh God, your face. It looks like you had a filter on. No offense. Well, you gotta let them see.
Look
Now pour it in.
and put some on Marissa.
Make sure it goes in here.
It is going in.
I know, but I'm just making sure you know. Okay. Now go throw that out. You got some in the heart-shaped pan.
Chris.
This is the pan that we're putting our cake in. Hold on.
I'm evening it.
Let me put some water in the 1 cup. And this time do it right. Okay, hold it up so we can.
Now drink it.
No, thank you. Okay.
Can I put the eggs in? Please.
Are you not gonna get any shells?
No.
Okay, well I'm gonna put some in too. I'm using the oil though because I don't want you to spill it.
I wouldn't ever.
Put the camera back.
I don't have it in my hands.
Yeah, okay. I'm the one that posts the videos. I'm going to see it.
There we go. I was fixing it.
Okay.
So we just put the oil in. I'll
Yeah,
show you.
without filming it because I wasn't thinking. Now we're gonna do some eggs. Now Haley, you know how to crack an egg?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah, you grabbed the same egg I was grabbing. This, and then you put your thumb in, and
We
then
should
go.
swap these right now, cause.
Do another one.
I don't roll up my sleeves. I'm sorry. I literally just punctured the egg.
Now put the egg in the garbage, and then wash your hands because it was raw egg. I thought you were gonna lick it. I thought you were gonna lick it. Wash your hands. My mom and her boyfriend are watching a movie. That's why you can hear it in the background. But this is wet. We need to wipe this down. Now we gotta mix it like this. Oh gosh.
We're good.
We need to
don't want to mix it.
Okay, we'll take turns. Calm down. You sound like a baby. Stop it.
And then you gotta put this in it.
No, that's medicine. That's cough syrup. I don't think anyone wants cough syrup in their cake. I'm just making sure all the chunks. So guys, that's Haley in the background, but here's our mixture that we're working with. So, let's talk about how
beautiful I am.
How our friends are probably the only people that watch this video. Like Michael.
What's up, Michael?
Hey, Michael. Go follow him at Michael_Zuma_ what's the number? I forgot the number, but he wanted me to shout him out like a couple videos ago.
We'll put a link in the description or something.
Yeah.
If we can find one. Or just his username, so you can look him up on Instagram and follow him, or I'm gonna circumcise you.
No, she won't. Because she probably won't know where you live. Oh.
It's pretty easy.
Okay, you could mix some of it too. Even though I mixed it all. Okay, go ahead.
Move!
Tell me what to do. And don't tell me what to say. Okay. You never
You gotta
break
whisk
this down
it.
like I told you.
Whisk it around.
Be careful.
Whisk it around.
Hey, I saw that in the camera.
It doesn't. It's kind of salty. Is it supposed to be salty?
Salty, probably because it's not cooked.
Whoops.
Pour batter into pan. Oh yeah, I gotta spray the pan. So we got our cooking spray. We got our heart-shaped pan. It's beautiful. It's from Valentine's Day, but I mean, it's good. Ew, it smells bad. Is it almost done? Oh, it is done. The preheating. Okay, well, we gotta pour that in here now. Okay.
It's my turn.
Wait, no, I'm trying. Hold on. We're just gonna.
It smells great.
I'm just putting the whisk in here. Okay, now you can pour it in. Now be careful. Put it down a little lower. I just don't want you to pour it on the table counter.
I would never
No.
pour it on the table.
Yes, you would.
No, I
Yes,
wouldn't.
you would. I'm being truthful here. And then we'll go to Amanda's, and when we come back, we can put the frosting on because it'll be all cooled down, okay?
Drops the
Okay,
can.
you're...
It's.
Okay, it's good.
No, it's not.
Why do you... What? Okay.
Look, all the sprinkles. It's your fault.
Tell me what to do. Oh, the bottom wasn't mixed up at all. We'll just mix it in here. That's why we need the whisk thingy. The mixer.
Oh my gosh, show the camera. Show the camera. Dude, it's not even mixed.
We got this.
It's literally powder. What? Why am I shushing?
Just because I want you to. I'm cooking and you're taking glasses off of me. We got this, Haley. I know what to do. Give me a spoon.
No.
Yes. Do you want the cake to be good or bad? Because it's going to be bad.
Spicy.
Give me a spoon.
Where's the shelf?
You have to open this.
Oh. You could have told me that because I was struggling.
We're both stupid that we didn't go all the way to the bottom of the bowl.
Take it.
Come on. Don't tell me what to do. And don't tell me what to say. I got it on the glass. I'm gonna stab me in the eye.
I'm not. I'm your best friend. I would never stab you. How dare you think that I would stab you? How dare you?
That was close. Ooh.
Don't stop.
horrible. I just have a feeling. Sorry, I have a feeling. I have a theory.
You never know, because me and the person we don't speak of made a cake, and it was actually pretty good.
But we didn't mix in the whole batter.
But I also ruined it with salt and carrots, so.
Why would you put salt on it?
Why not?
My mom sat up. She got scared. Don't tell me what to say. Okay, so right now we're just mixing in all of the powder that we mixed. Why'd you turn the light off? You just gave me a heart attack. I thought the light, like the power went out, and I'm like, how are we gonna make this?
Ghost! Ghostesses. Why does everything gotta be so loud?
I don't know. It's making me really hot standing right here. Okay, so
Ignore the noise. It's gonna be
it's
loud.
already been 11 minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay.
What time is it?
I don't know. Check your phone.
It's charging.
Okay. So now we're going to pop this in the oven, but we're going to. No, I don't feel like it.
It's 8:25. It's 8:25.
As you can tell, it's 8:25.
Wait, is the plastic gonna be okay in that?
It's not plastic.
Oh, it's not plastic?
No, it's a pan.
I thought it was plastic.
Okay, now we have to set it for bake at times, cool times. Okay, pan size. Wait.
That was entertaining. You want to see a dance move? I'm great at dancing. Watch.
Wait, what? Do what? I just pressed cancel. Well, should I take the cake out of there?
We're having technical difficulties again.
Get up. You look like a chicken. Here, I'll help you up. Go. One. There you go. Where did? Haley, look at me. Look at. I'm actually crying.
I can't look up.
Hi, that's my mom. I love her. Okay, so Haley's in the bathroom. If you wanted to know, I think she's coming actually.
Careful, it doesn't rip up.
And Sammy, it's not the way that you're thinking. Because I said she's coming, and Sammy
Okay,
is discussing. Okay,
Is Sammy on there?
he watches the videos. All the boys that are in my group chat watches.
Can I do it?
Well, not everyone. Dom can't find
Can I
us.
do it? Can I
Fine,
frost it?
fine.
Thank
Yes, my mom wants to frost it.
you. I want
What's
to eat the
Haley
frosting.
doing? I think she's still in the bathroom.
I have no makeup on.
Haley has makeup on. I put makeup on her face.
And I don't even have my hair done. Where are these on
took the
YouTube?
cake out.
What is this video on?
YouTube.
Yeah, we should. Hold on.
We didn't take the cake out first.
Okay, Marissa, slide this pants back.
I actually,
I can't believe I just did that, actually. I can't.
don't worry. We didn't
You
mix.
sprayed the pan, right?
Yeah, but we didn't mix all the powder in. And so when we poured in the pan, we had to mix the rest of the powder from the bottom. It's all mixed in now, but like, she didn't take the cake out.
I didn't take the cake out.
Now you're in my YouTube video, Andrew.
Okay,
Me
Marissa,
and
go ahead
Haley
and
have our own
frost.
channel.
Where is? You got another cup? You frosted it with your hand?
No,
You want a cup or a
Just
glass?
taking
Like,
it out.
look at me.
With her hand?
No, I put the frosting on before I took, yeah, wash my hand.
Oh,
I
before you
touched
took the cake out?
Yeah, look at, like a cup like that? Or do you want like a cup, like a glass? One of those? Wakey wakey.
Wakey wakey. Oh,
what
We
was
could
that?
take them out of the box and have more.
I honestly
probably.
want
Have my hammer, sorry.
some ice cream, not cake, but I mean,
My cake got frosting on it though. Look at it.
I'm bad at frosting cakes. This is gonna look like a horrible job.
Okay, so I'm gonna put a couple up here, guys.
I might eat some in a minute. Oh, what are these?
What do you want to eat up? Oh, there's all like pop freezies or something. But there's pops right here. See those popsicles?
Oh, they're these. These are pops regular. What is
That's
it?
my mom.
Tropical punch, kiwi, strawberry
Ah.
punch. They're not.
This is horrible.
Medicine stuff, is it?
No, look at those though. Those are popsicles in there.
Oh yeah, I like popsicles.
And there's popsicles.
I
think
like
these
pop.
are.
I like popsicles.
This actually doesn't look good. I don't. It looks bad.
Why? Oh, let me help you. I gotta wash
I'm
my
not
hands.
going to. Don't you worry.
All right, let me see it. Sorry. And the final touch will be. Where'd Haley go? Oh,
In
there.
the bathroom. Ow! I bit my cheek.
Why couldn't we do a video when I had makeup on?
Because we kind of need to finish the video that we were making today. And then I wanted you to be in it, so I told you to.
What's
Piece of cake. It's a piece
now
of
it's
your
just
cake.
on my finger, no big deal. I'm gonna be sick from licking the frosting off my finger.
I'm bad at frosting cake. I don't know why. I just am.
Well, because you don't do it all the time.
Can I have an ice cream?
Yep.
Nothing's in there.
Totally like the
Here.
frosting.
The boy that
Could you at
was
least
in
shut the
here
freezer?
before asked my mom's boyfriend, if you guys were wondering.
Did you shut the?
They know that I just want to hear that. Why isn't this opening?
You want
Open
some? You want to try
sesame.
cake? You said.
Who?
Andrew.
Andrew? I thought it said it broke for a second. I remember when I used to get these all the time in Heath Road.
I used to take those and I would cut the sides, eat them first.
Oh, I just ate them like this.
Mm-hmm.
I took all the chocolate parts off first. She's taking the spotlight.
Sorry, my bad. They say when people say my bad, they really don't mean that they're sorry. They just
So
say
you're
it
not
like-
sorry?
Yeah, sorry, not sorry.
No, I
Remember
said.
what the guy did
I
at
said.
Tops? Huh?
I said. So you're not sorry?
Yeah, sorry, not sorry. I am sorry, but I'm saying that's what my old boss said. She never really liked when people said that to her. She didn't think they were for real.
Oh.
But so
Who?
wait, remember when that kid did that today at the store and I didn't know what it was and I said something and then he did it?
Oh. Yeah, that.
Did you tell Andrew?
The Tops employee.
Yeah, see if
went
Andrew
like
knows
that.
what that means.
It was funny.
Andrew, do you know what this means? Show him, Riz.
Yeah, the girls used to do that.
Yeah, the Tops the person that works at Tops, he did it to me and Haley today.
Yeah, because I was talking to them about it and I didn't know what it meant. And then he must have heard us. So as we were walking out, he was like, hey, girls, you dropped something. And I turn around and look, and he's got his hand doing the thing they were telling me about.
Mhm.
You might have had to be there because it was funny when you were there.
Mhm. It was hilarious.
Hilarious. Is she pooping?
No, she's like coming over here.
Does she need makeup remover?
That's Haley. Haley. She's taking her makeup off.
Do you want
and she
makeup
got
remover?
That's what she's doing.
With the blue one?
No, the purple one. And she got it in her eye.
Oh, I tell you, not the purple one, you dork. Here. I'll get it for you. Hold on. Show them a picture of your cake so you guys can eat it. I said it. Aww. What did you use to wipe it with?
It's a heart.
This is what I've been using. Yeah, they are, babe. Yeah, boy. About to set the coffee up now. Tomorrow morning we just did that.
Forgot that kind made my eyes water a lot.
I almost kicked the cake.
So you just don't want to pour too much on and just all you and then after you could
I'm
put
waiting
on
for
this
Haley.
right here. It's Marissa. Is it? Just a little bit. Take it.
Talking about it. This is the fridge.
Leave it on your arm. Just so everything is
But it's fancy.
Oh, my sink is gross too. I gotta clean it.
The fridge is fancy.
I did. Volvo.
Oh, I had glasses.
But you need to tell us what it tastes like.
Is it on still? Can we turn it off now?
In the morning.
Andrew just ate.
I need
cereal.
Haley
There's
for
SpaghettiOs.
our outro. Haley. Say,
Huh?
please leave a like and subscribe. Say that. Say it.
Okay.
Or don't.
I will. Come here, Riz. Please leave a like and subscribe to us.
Comment down below if you want to see my mom and more videos. Bye. Oh, wait, hold on. You have to.
Oh, just like it.
You have to say bye to Haley.
I'm gonna put this in the.
Goodbye. Good day. She's taking makeup off that I did. I put makeup on her. Okay, goodbye.